How to add PayPal to Temu app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add PayPal to Temu app. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, the first thing you want to do is find the item that you want to purchase. Then tap on the Add to Cart option. Once it has been added to cart, you want to open up your cart and then tap on the checkout option. Now over here, you want to scroll down and get to the payment methods option. From here, select PayPal. Now tap on the PayPal option. As you can see, the payment is processing. This is going to take you to the PayPal website. Now you want to enter your email or mobile number. After that, tap on the next option. Now you will have to log in with a one-time passcode. Now you simply want to tap on Agree and Pay Now option, and this is how you can add PayPal to Temu app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.